Hola, so we are going to discuss the last concept of this chapter, and it's about the present indicative with when we want to express belief and certainty about events, current and future events. And so the present indicative. So let's see this example here. These are news from campus, noticias en la universidad. So in here, the president of this university says, nuestro equipo de baloncesto va a ganar el campeonato. So in this case, we see that this is something like a future, probably future, a near future event. And so the reaction of this news, right? People can say that for the president, according to the president, there's no doubt that the basketball team plays very well. And so this is a very good example of when there's certainty of something. In this case, the basketball team is really good, and so there's no denial that they're going to win the next tournament. Okay, so juega, this is our verb in the subjunctive. So let's get started. Expresiones de certeza. So I have examples like always, so you can see these verbs. Creo. So here we see certainty because we see creo. I believe. That is certainty from us. That's our attitude. So creo que Luis va a conseguir el trabajo. I believe that Luis is going to get the job. So we have certainty, we have a feeling that he's going to get the job. And so the verb va, here it's in the indicative. But here we are now saying, I don't think so. I don't believe that, this is going to end well. And so in this case, no creo que Luis vaya a conseguir el trabajo. So then we can see both sentences depending on the verb that we have at the beginning. That is what triggers either indicative here, or the negation of believing triggers subjunctive. And so I don't think that Luis is going to get the job. And so that's why we need to use the subjunctive, vaya. So some verbs that express this belief are creer, pensar, saber, estar seguro. And some phrases or impersonal expressions that also carry this message are no hay duda que, es verdad que, es cierto que. So anytime that we have these verbs or these phrases or impersonal expressions, we need to use the indicative. So we can see now this is a summary when we will use either one. When there's a need to use the indicative in the dependent clause, our verb in the main clause will have to be one of these for strong belief, certainty, or affirmation. Creer que, pensar que, estar seguro que, es verdad que, es cierto que, no hay duda que, saber que. And for verbs that are going to convey a disbelief or doubt, uncertainty, and denial, these are the verbs. No creer que. So see, as you can see, the negation of this one. No pensar que, the negation of this one. No estar seguro que, no es verdad que, no es cierto que. When there's doubt, so dudar que. When something is not possible, no es posible que, or it's impossible that something. And so if there's no doubt, uncertainty, or disbelief about an action or event, and if the subject appears certain of the facts, we will use the indicative for sure. And so, for example, estamos seguros de que Luis consigue el trabajo. So we are sure that that is what is going to happen. Mi padre no niega que tiene el colesterol alto. In this case, he doesn't deny that it actually is a fact. His cholesterol is high. Or, yo creo que el doctor sabe el diagnóstico. I believe that the doctor knows, what he's talking about. He knows the diagnostic of someone. Okay, so little question. So here it says, empresa ofrece nuevas becas para estudiantes de ingeniería. And in this headline, this news, which one is the best expression to complete the sentence? Okay, and so this is what they offer. They're offering scholarships. So a company is offering us new scholarships for engineering students. And so which expression, which one of these we will use to complete the sentence? Es verdad means it's true. No es verdad isn't true. So in this expression, that these headlines that we see here, like I was saying, and so we know that the rest of the sentence says that scholarships are beneficial for students, and so something that is something good, something positive, and so the only expression that we can use here, it would be es verdad, because this is positive, and so it's true. Es verdad. Es verdad que las becas son beneficiosas para los estudiantes, and so it's true that scholarships are beneficial for students. Okay, so that's, and then there's a activity here that you will have to choose the correct verbs, either subjunctive or indicative, that will convey a doubt or certainty. And so for this, you will need to pay attention to the verb that you have in the main clause or the expression. That will trigger which mode you use, indicative or subjunctive. Okay, so that's all for today, and then I'll see you next time. Ciao!